Did you know that in Japan there are machines and businesses so innovative that they still haven't arrived in many countries around the world? Today I'm going to show you 15 Japanese businesses that already generate millions in Asia and that you can bring to your city to turn them into a highly profitable opportunity with almost no competition. Stay until the end, because I'll show you which ones are the easiest to import from Japan to start your own venture. Japan is known around the world for its ability to innovate, reinvent itself, and create solutions that later set trends in different industries. It's no coincidence. We're talking about a culture that has managed to turn discipline, technology, and creativity into true engines of growth. From gastronomy with its famous sushi to robotics applied to daily life, the Japanese always manage to go one step ahead and create businesses that end up revolutionizing the way people consume and live. The most interesting thing is that many of these ideas that in Japan are already a reality still haven't arrived strongly in Latin America. That means there is a huge space for entrepreneurs who know how to detect the opportunity before everyone else. Today in our cities, we continue depending on the same old business models: traditional hardware stores, common restaurants, conventional shops. Meanwhile, in Japan, businesses are already being generated that operate automatically, that produce at low cost, and that respond to needs as basic as eating, decorating, resting, or building. Business number 1: automatic sushi machines. In Japan, sushi is not just food, it's part of their culture, and that's why they have created machines capable of rolling sushi automatically, producing dozens of pieces in a few minutes, and with a precision that previously was only achieved with years of practice. The problem they solve is clear. Many restaurants and entrepreneurs want to offer sushi, but not all have a specialized chef or the time to prepare rolls in an artisanal way. With these machines, anyone can produce standardized, attractive, and delicious sushi in less time. The investment for a machine of this type goes from $300 to $1,500, depending on the model and capacity. In the Latin market, where Japanese food grows every year, a roll that costs less than $1 to produce can be sold between $4 and $8, which leaves very attractive margins. This is an opportunity to open a small shop, offer catering for events, or even set up a premium sushi delivery business made on the spot. Business number 2: automatic ramen dispensers. If there's something that characterizes Japan, it's its passion for ramen. There, it's common to find vending machines that prepare and serve hot ramen in a matter of minutes. This type of business can be replicated in universities, business areas, parks, or shopping centers in any city in Latin America, where more and more people are looking for fast, affordable, and tasty food. The problem these machines solve is the lack of accessible options for hot and quick food outside traditional restaurant hours. With an investment that can vary between $2,000 and $8,000, these machines work 24/7 without the need for a chef present. The average ticket for a bowl of ramen can be between $3 and $6 in many countries in the region, which means that even with a moderate sale of 30 to 50 bowls a day, you would already be generating stable income and a quick return on investment. In addition, being an automated service, you reduce personnel costs and increase profitability. Business number 3: coffee machines with automatic latte art. In Japan, the customer experience is as important as the product itself, and that's why they have developed machines that print personalized designs on the foam of a latte. These printers work with edible ink and can print messages, logos, or images directly on the drink. The problem they solve is the need for differentiation in an increasingly competitive coffee market. It's not enough to offer a delicious coffee. You have to create memorable experiences that customers want to photograph and share on social media. With an investment between $1,500 and $3,000, you can install these machines in cafes, restaurants, or even take them to events and private parties. Imagine offering a coffee with a company's logo at a corporate event, or with a personalized dedication at a wedding. That added value allows you to charge between 30% and 50% more for each drink, turning a simple cup of coffee into a luxury experience that also becomes free advertising every time someone shares it on social media. Business number 4: private karaoke booths. In Japan, karaoke is not just fun, it's a fundamental part of social and cultural life. The innovation that emerged there was private karaoke booths. Small soundproof spaces where one person or a small group can sing without the pressure of a large audience. These booths are equipped with touchscreens, high-quality microphones, lights, and a surround sound system that turns the experience into something professional and fun at the same time. Their acquisition cost varies between $3,000 and $10,000, depending on the size and the level of technology they include. The business opportunity in Latin America is enormous. In our countries, music is part of cultural identity, and entertainment is a sector that always moves. The problem these booths solve is the lack of accessible and safe spaces where people can sing and have fun in private, whether with friends, family, or even alone to relieve stress. With this model, you can install booths in bars, nightclubs, shopping centers, tourist areas, or even in university spaces, charging for time of use or creating memberships for frequent customers. It's an innovative business that mixes leisure, technology, and experience, generating daily income in any city with nightlife or heavy foot traffic. Business number 5, rest capsules. Rest capsules were born in Japan as a response to a very particular problem: the lack of space and the fast pace of life. In big cities, workers and travelers needed a safe and comfortable place to sleep for a few hours without paying for a full hotel room. Thus, these capsules emerged, small individual modules, modern and functional, that offer the essentials: bed, light, ventilation, and privacy. Their investment price ranges between $2,500 and $6,000 per capsule, which makes them a very accessible alternative to start with a few units and grow. In Latin America, this model can be applied in airports, bus terminals, high-traffic areas, universities, or even health centers, where people seek to rest, study, or wait comfortably. The business opportunity is clear. You charge by the hour of use, which allows constant turnover and a daily flow of income. In addition, it's a novel concept in the region, which makes it attractive for travelers, students, and workers. Over time, you can go from having a few capsules to setting up a mini capsule hotel, multiplying capacity without the need for large plots of land or expensive constructions. Business number 6, vending machines for unusual products. If there's something that surprises those who visit Japan, it's the number and diversity of its vending machines. They not only sell drinks or snacks, they also offer umbrellas, t-shirts, toys, flowers, masks, and even bowls of ramen. The key to this model lies in convenience. The consumer wants quick solutions at any time, and automatic machines make it possible without the need for staff. In your country, this idea has enormous potential because it still isn't exploited to the maximum. A machine of this type can cost between $1,000 and $5,000 according to the capacity and functions it has. Some even allow digital payments and remote inventory control. The problem it solves is simple but powerful: the lack of immediate availability of everyday products in strategic places. Imagine installing a machine in a shopping center that sells phone chargers, earphones, or accessories, or in a bus terminal that offers snacks, drinks, and travel items. Even in tourist areas, where visitors appreciate being able to buy souvenirs, sunglasses, or umbrellas without needing to look for an open store. This model generates passive income 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and can easily scale with more machines in different strategic points, until creating a network of mini automatic stores throughout your city or even in several regions. Business number 7, 3D printers for ceramics. In Japan, creativity and technology have always gone hand in hand, and one of the best examples is 3D printers for ceramics. These machines allow you to design and manufacture unique pieces such as cups, plates, jars, vases, or even decorative art pieces, all with a level of precision and detail that before was only possible with years of artisanal experience. Their investment cost ranges between $2,000 and $7,000, depending on the size and production capacity of the machine. The great business opportunity is that in many Latin American countries, it is still difficult to obtain personalized ceramic products with modern designs. And people are increasingly willing to pay for exclusive items that beautify their homes, offices, or restaurants. The problem these machines solve is the lack of differentiation in the market. While most sell common pieces mass-produced, you can offer unique creations that combine the best of artisanal tradition with the precision of technology. A product that costs you between $2 and $3 in materials can be sold in the local market or online for $10, $15, or even $20. Multiplying your investment and giving you the possibility of positioning yourself as a reference in luxury design and decoration. Business number 8, smart greenhouses. Japanese agriculture has had to reinvent itself due to the lack of space, And from there come smart and vertical greenhouses, structures designed to grow vegetables, fruits, and greens in controlled environments and with incredible efficiency in the use of water and nutrients. These solutions have prices that go from $4,000 to $15,000, depending on the capacity, size, and degree of automation. The great business opportunity in Latin America is enormous. Consumers are increasingly interested in fresh, local, and sustainable products, and high-end restaurants seek suppliers that guarantee quality and availability all year round. The problem these machines solve is dependence on seasons, excessive use of soil, and the lack of fresh food in urban areas where agricultural space is limited. With a smart greenhouse, you can start on a small plot, produce pesticide-free vegetables, and sell directly to supermarkets, restaurants, and health food stores. Over time, this model can scale toward a network of greenhouses in different cities, guaranteeing constant production and becoming a high-value agro-industrial business. Business number 9. Machines for Japanese mochi ice cream. Ice cream-filled mochi is a Japanese dessert that is conquering the world. They are small balls of rice dough filled with ice cream of different flavors, soft, colorful, and very visually appealing. In Japan, they are a guaranteed success, and more countries are beginning to discover them. The machines to produce mochi ice cream cost between $2,500 and $8,000 and have the capacity to make hundreds of units a day, which allows supplying ice cream shops, cafes, restaurants, and events in a short time. The problem they solve is the lack of innovative options in the world of desserts. While most businesses offer traditional ice creams or common pastries, mochi ice cream is something completely different, striking, and with high added value. In the Latin market, a piece of mochi can be sold between $1 and $2, while its production cost can be just a few cents, which generates very attractive profit margins. In addition, it is a photogenic product and perfect for social media, which facilitates its viralization and attracts young customers in search of new experiences. With a good digital marketing strategy, you can become a pioneer in this segment and scale your business until you open your own specialized brand or even sell wholesale to chains of ice cream shops and cafes. Business number 10. Charging stations for electric bicycles. In Japan, sustainable mobility is a priority, and there are more and more automated stations to charge electric bicycles. In Latin America, where bicycle use grows year after year, a station of this type, with an investment between $1,000 and $3,000, can be a profitable business both in urban and tourist areas. Business number 11. Textile stamping machines in minutes. The Japanese have developed compact machines that customize t-shirts, caps, or bags on the spot. With prices from $1,000 to $4,000, you can install a printing point in fairs, shopping centers, or universities, offering people to take their personalized garment instantly. Business number 12. Ornamental fish farms, Japanese style. Japan is a leader in breeding koi fish, a symbol of prosperity and beauty. With modular ponds and filtering systems that cost from $3,000 upwards, you can start a fish farm to sell ornamental fish, a business with great potential in gardening, decoration, and collecting markets. Business number 13. Plastic bottle recycling machines. In Japan, there are machines that crush plastic bottles and turn them into raw material to manufacture new products. With a cost of $2,000 to $6,000, you can offer this service to companies or communities, generating income while contributing to sustainability. Business number 14. 24/7 automatic stores. The famous Japanese konbini are a gold mine, small supermarkets that never close and that have self-service machines. Adapting this model in your country, even with compact modules imported from China that cost between $5,000 and $20,000, can generate constant sales and become a high-impact business. Business number 15. Cleaning and maintenance robots. Japan is a pioneer in robotics applied to the home and industry. Today, there are machines that sweep, vacuum, clean windows on tall buildings, and even cut grass autonomously. With investments that go from $500 in basic versions to $10,000 in industrial robots, you can offer smart cleaning services for homes, offices, or residential complexes. It's a modern, practical business with enormous demand in cities seeking efficiency. What makes these 15 Japanese businesses truly attractive is not only the technological innovation behind the machines, but the way they solve real and everyday needs that exist in any city in the world. In the construction sector, for example, the production of shovels, wire mesh, or nails responds to a demand that never stops. because infrastructure works, housing projects and remodels are an essential part of urban growth. In food, sushi, ramen, and Japanese desserts like mochi are not simple passing fads. They are part of a global movement toward innovative, fast, and at the same time healthy food. In the field of decoration, 3D ceramic printers and carpet machines allow entrepreneurs to offer exclusive items, something that today has a growing market among young people, families, and businesses that seek to differentiate themselves. And in the field of sustainability and mobility, smart greenhouses and charging stations for electric bicycles respond directly to the global trend of seeking ecological, practical, and profitable solutions. We are facing a set of models that don't need to convince the customer of an artificial desire. On the contrary, they take advantage of what people already consume and need every day: quick and different food, construction tools, decoration products, rest spaces, or mobility and recycling solutions. The difference lies in bringing to the market a technology that still isn't widespread in Latin America, which makes you a pioneer and gives you the advantage of being the first to occupy a space with assured demand. The most powerful thing about these ideas is not only the final product they offer, but the growth path they allow you to travel. You don't need large capital or million-dollar infrastructure to start. A single machine, a small space, and the desire to work are enough to begin validating the market. That first investment becomes the base upon which you build a solid business with a vision for the future. The key lies in constant reinvention. An entrepreneur who starts by making carpets with a manual machine can, in a few months, reinvest profits in a semi-automatic version and multiply capacity. The same happens with nail or mesh machines. With one unit, you can serve your first local customers, and over time grow until you set up a complete production line capable of supplying construction companies, hardware chains, or even exporting to other countries. But scalability is not only producing more, it's also diversifying. A workshop that starts with a single machine can add others to expand its portfolio. Imagine the same space where you manufacture shovels, nails, and wire mesh, or where you combine a 3D ceramic printer with a mochi machine to serve both the decoration market and the food market. That way you don't depend on a single product and your business strengthens in the face of market changes. Japanese businesses are a goldmine waiting to be discovered in your country. From automatic sushi machines to nail factories, each of these 15 ideas can become the foundation of your next great venture. Start small, reinvest intelligently, and build a solid business that generates income for you every day. And remember, in the description I'm leaving you the link to learn how to import these machines from China safely, step by step and without risks. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, and join me on this journey, because every week you will discover new real opportunities to change your life and undertake in a big way.